Hello to all my dear friends. Today I am going to take up a topic of class 9 chapter 3 drainage. The last topic of it is the importance of lakes. In the previous video I have explained you about different types of lakes and their formation. Now why are we talking about lakes so much? How are they so important to us? About that is a very important part of your class 9 children. A question definitely comes from this part. First importance is that it regulates the flow of rivers. Many rivers originate from lakes. They are getting water from the lakes. So, if a water comes into the lake, it flows into a river. Even if the rainfall is not there, the river is fed by the water from the lake, and this way it regulates the flow, means that it ensures that the river has water in it throughout the year. So, that is the meaning of it regulates the stream flow. Stream means here the river. Second important point is it prevents floods during heavy rains, because if lakes are there, naturally a lot of amount of the rainwater can be accumulated into the lakes and it will not flood the adjoining area. So, it prevents floods during heavy rainfall, and during the dry season the lake water provides sustenance to the people living around the lake. For agriculture, for different other purposes, that water can be supplied from the lakes during the dry season. It maintains the aquatic ecosystem. Naturally, when water is there, it has to have, to make it clean, to remain clean, we need to have some fishes, some tortoise into it. So, it maintains the aquatic ecosystem. Some life is also dependent on that water. Enhances the underground water level. It is very important, because the area which is a dry area, if you dig a lake there, you will find that after few years the whole area's underground water level gets recharged. The water slowly seeps down inside the earth and it accumulates in area wherever the layer of non-porous rocks are found, and in this way the underground water level gets recharged by a lake. Hydel power generation. We all know that man-made lakes are also there. We have dammed many rivers and converted into reservoirs, and from that impounded water we can produce hydel power, and it has been produced also, and it has been mostly supplied to the factories. Enhances the natural beauty. Wherever you will find lake, you will see that the natural beauty is very soothing to your eyes. It will regulate the atmosphere of that area. You will find that there is a cool breeze blowing in that particular area where lake is there. You can, that surrounding area can be developed into a picnic spot, a recreational spot, tourism can be developed. So, in this way the beauty that the lakes gives us can be used for human recreation, and that is all for this topic. Hope you understand the topic. It is very simple and it is very important. Do go through it once again, and if you have any doubts, do write in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you understood the video and if you like it, please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.